Too bright. Too bright. Damn, we're finally up, guys. And we're gonna make some cereal. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the cereal my way. I think it's the most efficient, in my opinion. And you guys will see. You guys will see. The first step is choosing what cereal to get. I only have two choices here, but let's be real here. Let me like chocolate here. You like chocolate? Some Cocoa Puffs, you know? You're the nice. You're open the box, you know? Fuck. Who gives a fuck? Open. So, we're using a cup this time. Now we're getting the milk. We're gonna put the Cheerios first, you know, because that's the usual thing to do. Now, for the goddamn milk. Let's do this, boys. Wait, March 10th. When's the fucking date? Alright, I checked the date. I think we're good, boys. Pour this very nicely, you know? Just, yeah. I put on a shirt so you guys don't see my fucking ugly ass. Cheers. Now that's how you eat cereal the right way. Did you really think I was gonna forget to clean up? Let's clean up. First step is putting the cereal back in the box. The box is back where you got it from, you know? Make sure it's nice and neat. Okay. Perfect. There's milk away. Now, you put the milk where you found it. Now you can enjoy your cup of cereal with a nice Coolblur video. Don't actually do this. You get your cereal stuck. And if you want to do this method, use it with a spoon. Yeah, unlike me. Good morning. Now we need the milk. Fuck, it fell. God damn it. Yo, what the? Reasoning. Oh, yes. Now that's how you. Now that's how you eat cereal the right way. Oh, fucking fuck. I put on a shirt so you guys don't have to see my ugly face. What? I put on a shirt. I just put on a fucking shirt. God damn it. Shut the fuck up. Alright, let's go. Now you can enjoy a nice... Now you can enjoy your cup of cereal